Hello children, welcome to in this educative video. How are you? I hope you are fine there. My class 8 children, you are very super smart children, so your learning is become very easy by this video and you can easily grasp the all concept of this video. Today I am going to teach you the class 8 CBSE textbook chapter 1 crop production and management. This is Sonia. So let's see all the points one by one. So let us see. Today I explain crop production and management. Yes children. First, I want to give to you the introduction. India's first point today I am going to explain to you India's population, born history of agriculture, definition of agriculture, definition of crops, types of crops and their examples, agriculture practices and this one. So first children, I am talking about the India's population. Do you know children? Population, the current world population is 7.8 billion. The current India's population is 1.27 billion according this all the data by the Worldometer 2020. Here I represent the world population percentage. A pie chart has the shown various the countries in this pie chart. Especially we want to focus. Here is the India, that's population as I told here. Now further I am going to teach you following points in refer to the India. First, India is the world's second most populous country. Agriculture is the largest source of livelihoods in India. In terms of total calorie contained, India is the second largest food producer in the world. And India's population keeps growing, thus greater demand for food. Crop provide the food. Yes children, crop what give us food and food provide us energy, and this energy how we use for our body? Yes, our all body parts want the energy and by this energy we do all the work. So children, again I remind, crop provide the food provide energy and by this energy we do the work, we do the various type of the activity such as the study. Now let's see the further. Here I talk first the born history of the agriculture. Yes children, our topic today is the crop production. So first I want to introduce the born history of the agriculture. Agriculture first I ask till 10,000 BC people were nomadic. Do you know children what do you mean by the nomadic? Nomadic, it means the nomads. They were wandering in groups from place to place in search of food and shelter. They ate raw fruits and vegetables and started hunting animals for food. Later they could cultivate land and produce rice, wheat and other food crops. Thus was born agriculture. Children, this is the history how there is the agriculture was the born. Now further I asked to teach what is The Latin word asks about the agriculture. Ager means field, cultura, it means cultivation. In both the field and cultivation make the word agriculture. So very simple here. We had seen the born history of the agriculture. After that we had seen how it is the derived agriculture. So here we come to know that it is the Latin word. It is derived by the Latin ager and the cultura. Let us see one more question here raised in my mind. Who was father of agriculture? Here is who is the father of the agriculture? Before that, two more questions rise in my mind. Suppose I ask to you, who is your father? Miss Daddy. Very simple. I know you can give easily without wasting time the answer, but I don't ask you this. Now further, suppose I ask, who was the father of the nation? Yes children, everyone ask easily, Mahatma Gandhi. But suppose we talk, who was the father of agriculture? So Norman Ernest Borlaug was an American scientist. He was the father of the agriculture. Now further, he was a very famous person children. Yes, he not only invented the green crops, while he was also known as the father of the modern agriculture and green revolution. And due to their good deeds, he won the 1970s Nobel Prize. Now further we talk about the crop production. In that first we talk about the crops. What do you mean by the crop? When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale is called as crop. Crop means various type of plants. They are grown and cultivated at a one place. It means the large area. It is called the crops. Now let's see further. One more question rise in the mind. How many types of the crops? Yes children, crops types on the basis of the season, it is divided into two. First is the Rabi crops, second is the Kharif crops. Now children, it is divided into many parts, but especially based on the season, it is divided to Rabi and the Kharif crops. Further we see one more question raised in our mind. What is the Kharif crops? What is the Rabi crops? So crops are also classified, as I told, into the two on the basis of the season. First I talk Kharif crops. The crops which are grown during the monsoon. Monsoon, it means the rainy season. And do you know this season, it starts from June up to the September, are called Kharif crops. And for example, maize, millet and bajra. And this cotton also the Kharif crops. Seeds of these crops are sown in the beginning of the monsoon season. After maturation, once it is the mature, these crops are harvested at the end of the monsoon season. When is the end of the monsoon season? October to November month. So it was the Kharif crops. What is the specification of it? It grown during the rainy season. Month is June to September and harvested October to November. Let's focus, let's proceed. Second crops, Rabi crops. Rabi crops which are grown during the winter season, October to March, are called Rabi crops. For example, wheat, gram and the mustard. This type of seeds crops are grown in the beginning of the winter season. After maturation of crops, they are harvested at the end of the winter season. Where is the end of winter season, children? April to May. That is, there is the Rabi crops. Now let us see. Further we proceed, move ahead, the basic practices of crop production. Yes children, before that I am going to explaining the basic practice of crops production. Let's move ahead. I want to explain what is the agriculture practices. What is the definition of the agriculture practices? So first I want to ask all activities which farmer do for the cultivation of plants are called agriculture practices. And for doing various activities means relevant to the crops. So a farmer needs different types of tools. Yes children, for that they need the tools, and these tools which are involved in cultivation of plants are called agriculture implements, and farmers perform agriculture practices in a sequence. Yes children, there is the need a sequence to perform this activity. So let us see what is this sequence one by one. So we see first what is the sequence of the production. First, preparation of soil. First step is called the preparation of soil. Second is the sowing. Third is the adding manure and the fertilizers. Fourth is the irrigation. Fifth is the protecting from weeds. Next is the harvesting. At last, storage. Yes children, again I want to ask you preparation of soil in the start. After that, whatever there is a preparation of soil over this activity, then we start the sowing. We finish the sowing. After that, adding manure and fertilizer in it. And after that, what is the need? Irrigation. After that, protecting from weeds. Yes, irrigated, then the protect from weeds, then the crop is ready. So need here is the harvesting, and after that we have the crops in our hand. Then what you do? Keep it safe, keep it properly places. So it is called the storage. But children, all there is afterwards I explain one by one very deeply. First, let me see what do you mean the preparation of the soil. We are going to see it. Preparation of the soil. Yes children, here is the one picture for the you. There is the shown easily you can. What is this picture shown? Cultivator. It means there is a tractor. Yes, it is the most important tool. The preparation of the soil for it. So how children? Let's see what is the meaning of the preparation of soil. What is the definition of the preparation of the soil? Let's see. Preparation of soil is the first step, as I told in the I showed in the previous all the sequence. This preparation first had in cultivating crop for food production. As our title, this chapter's title heading crop production. So first here we talk the food production. It is the first step. It's start from this sequence. The soil is prepared for the sowing the seeds of the crop by plugging, leveling and the manuring. Let us now discuss these steps in the detail. Plugging, the process of the loosening, and there is upturning. It is the main thing here children, I want to highlight loosening and the upturning the soil is called the plugging. What is the specification for the loosening and upturning? Later I explain you. Now further we move ahead, we see the agriculture implements. What is the agriculture implements? Children, do you know the agriculture implements? It is most play the role in the preparation of especially the soil. Top 10 implements shown in this picture. There is the India's best implements tools. It is shown here in this, and it is given this diagram also in your text book. Now further we are going to see this. The picture here is the shown and with the one tool also. So before sowing the crop seeds, the soil of field is loosened and overturned. Children, this overturned and loosened due to here is the easily the earthworm and microbes can remain in the soil, and that's now according to a previous knowledge, the earthworm and microbes are the friend of the crops for the especially the farmer. They are the best friend of the farmer. Why? Preparation of soil, we use the few tools, but without using the tool, the farmer you keep here and happy with the earthworm. Earthworm, what do children? Why it is the friend? There is the earthworm also lose the soil, and there is the overturn the soil without use any tool. That is why it is the best friend of the farmer, and this process is called the plugging or the tilling. And plugging cause there is the ventilation of soil and makes it suitable for the growth of small organism living in it. A small organism, it means the microbes live in it. Now here the shown the picture plug shear. This is the tool children for the losing the soil. Here is the plug shear and plug shaft, and there is the beam here. It is helpful for the plugging all the things and prepare the soil. We talk first. Here is the plug. What is the role of the plug? Here upside we talk about the few, there is the tools. First we talk about this type of the plug. A large forming implement. A large forming implement with one or more plates fixed in a frame and used to turn over and cut the furrow in the soil is called the plug. And plug may be made of only wood, but it is the previous time. Nowadays time is changed, so there is the wood maybe, and iron also there is a using nowadays. Now we talk about the plug shear. The man cutting blade of the plug, it is the use, it is called the plug shear. Now further we talk about the hoe. What is the meaning of the hoe and what is the utility? Hoe, a tool which is used for removing weeds. As you know, what do you mean by the weeds? Unwanted trees, plants, that is weeds, and for loosening the soil. So I want to explain the whole diagram of the hoe. Here is the first, this is shown, there is the grip, it is given your textbook also. Kindly see there children along with me. There is the handle, it is the beam, and there is the long one is the rod, and there is the bent plate, it is the main roll. So there is the hoe, especially there is the Indian hoe, and there is the use especially the removing weeds, remove all the weeds. Now let us see for the cultivator. We talk about there is the cultivator. Nowadays plugging is done by a tractor driven thus the cultivator. In the use of the cultivator saves labor and the time. So we use there is the cultivator. So here children we had seen various implements and all the things. Now very soon we meet in our next video. There I all explain steps one by one. Till date you remain at home. Stay safe. Goodbye. Thank you. Bye.